Up for auction, we have two small HO setups. A steam engine with a workman's caboose and a Burlington engine and a dummy Burlington engine and the caboose with that. This is a short video showing you that the forward and reverse both work, the light works, and the engines do run. This auction just be for the engine and train cars only, no track or transformer. Okay, now we're seeing the Burlingtons running here. The middle engine is the engine, the front one is the dummy engine. Just once again, like showing the engines running forward and reverse. Alright, thanks for watching and good luck bidding on these.